Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu La ilaha illallah. Eid Mubarak, prescribed. We made it through the nights of prayer, through every fast, through every tear. Ya Allah, you carried us through every moment, every fear. From sujood in the quiet night to dawn that brought your mercy light. Now our hearts are filled with peace as your blessings never cease. You forgave us when we called, you lifted us when we would fall. Now we stand in joy today, praising you in every way. Eid celebration, Eid Mubarak, we rejoice today. Allahu Akbar, we celebrate. Grateful hearts, we raise your name. Forever you remain the same. You gave us strength, you gave us light. You heard our prayers in the night. Now we smile, our souls at peace. Ya Allah, your mercy never left. Families gather, laughter flows. Charity given, kindness grows. We remember those in need as we follow what you decree. New beginnings, hearts made clean through the beauty of this deen. From Ramadan to this bright day, your love has shown us the way. We will hold on to this light even after Ramadan nights. Let our iman never fade, let our worship always stay. Stronger vibration, Eid Mubarak, voices rise, praising you across the skies. From every land, from every tongue, your glory forever sung. Bless our homes and bless our days. Keep us firm upon your ways. Grant us Jannah, grant us peace. Let our faith forever increase. Oh, oh, oh. Accept our fast, accept our prayer, accept the tears we left in there. Forgive our sins, both seen, unseen. Make us better than we've been. Bless our parents, guide our youth. Fill our hearts with love and truth. Finally, Joyful and Mubarak, hearts unite, shining in your endless light. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, you are closer than we dream. Allahu Akbar, we proclaim, forever praising your great name. From this side and evermore, we are yours, Ya Rab, for sure. Eid Mubarak, Ameen, 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 Ameen. Amero Hectoro.